There is a problem every business corporation likes to have. It is the problem of demand outpacing supply. Tesla is one of the lucky few that has this problem, and this has necessitated the construction of Tesla Gigafactory network on every continent, starting with Gigafactory 1 or Giga Nevada in Reno, Nevada. In this episode, we are going to look at how Elon Musk's Tesla has been extremely successful, that the demand for their cars is so much that they can no longer meet up with demand if they don't radically increase their production capacity. The good news is that Tesla rose to the challenge and came up with the ambitious Gigafactory plan to boost its production capacity. The plan was to build gigafactories in strategic locations throughout the world to mass produce and distribute electric vehicles and batteries. Currently, 5 gigafactories are under construction globally, 3 in the United States located in Reno, Nevada, Austin, Texas, and Buffalo, New York, while one is located in Berlin, Europe, and the other in Shanghai, China. We'll look at the progress of each site, but first, let's start with the Gigafactory in Reno, Nevada, also known as Gigafactory 1. Strategically located in the sunny desert of Nevada, the Gigafactory 1 is already a ginormous assembly plant with only about 40% completion status. Upon completion, it could be the world's largest building by footprint, covering up to 10 million square feet. Elon Musk has called the Gigafactory a machine that builds the machine. It's a one-size-fits-all factory that ideally could make anything: Tesla cells, batteries, solar panels, home storage solutions, and, of course, electric cars, all under one roof. Raw materials would come in one end, and finished product would come out the other. According to Tesla, the Nevada Gigafactory will be a base template to be used in replicating other gigafactories globally, as you will see later in the video. The primary function at Giga Nevada is now to produce battery packs and motors for the Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, along with Tesla's Powerwall home battery packs. The factory is still under construction to this day, and the expansion will continue throughout this year. The plan is for this whole facility to be completely energy independent, getting all of its power from a combination of solar, wind, and geothermal sources. The whole factory roof will be covered with solar panels for energy sufficiency, but until then, Giga Nevada still depends on a mix of on-site renewable energy and local energy grid. Panasonic recently signed a partnership agreement with Tesla that will see them produce lithium-ion battery for Tesla on site. The Panasonic section of the factory is the most guarded area in the factory. This comes as no surprise, since battery technology is the soul of the EV industry. Panasonic employs 3,000 people on site that work closely with numerous robots to keep the battery production running 24/7. While on the Tesla side, 7,000 human employees work with a team of super-smart robots. The automated robots can move materials between workstations faster and lift heavier loads while staying charged for 19 hours. Some of the robots navigate through the factory using digital maps. An employee expanded on that, saying they are really on a fixed path. So it's very predictable. They are going to the same locations, picking up from one location and emptying off at another location. You can say this is a good use of robots, making them do monotonous, boring tasks. The point of the Gigafactory is to make Tesla into something more than an EV manufacturer, says Chris Lister, the vice president who heads up operations there. The Gigafactory is crucial to helping realize the company's mission, one that goes way beyond just electric cars but advance the world's transition to sustainable energy, Chris Lister further noted. The Giga Nevada has not been without some scandal. In August 2018, Carl Hansen, a former member of the company's security team, filed a whistleblower complaint with the Securities and Exchange Commission. In the complaint, he alleges that Tesla suppressed an internal investigation into various criminal activities that occurred at Giga Nevada during his tenure, including the use of drugs like cocaine and crystal meth on the factory ground. Hansen also claims in the complaint that the company successfully suppressed his internal investigation into the alleged theft of $37 million worth of raw materials. Hansen was later fired by Tesla, alleging that he is not a good team player. Situated in Buffalo, New York, Giga New York was originally built to be SolarCity's main manufacturing hub before the company was acquired by Tesla and dedicated to making solar panels, photovoltaic cells, and Tesla's much-hyped solar roof tiles. Construction of the factory started in 2014 and was completed in 2017. The factory began production of solar cells in 2017 and assembly of photovoltaic modules for solar panels under Panasonic. By early last year, Tesla began commercial installation of version 3 of the Solar Roof product and has also begun producing charging equipment for its supercharger network at the factory. In its results for the second and third quarters of 2020, Tesla reported that its solar energy operations were continuing to ramp up, partly because the company reduced the price of its standard solar products below the US industry average as part of a renewed marketing push, and partly as it gained more experience in installing the Solar Roof, hired more solar installers, and also sought growth through third-party installers. Next is Giga Shanghai, a factory in Shanghai, China. The facility currently hosts the final assembly of the Tesla Model 3 and will produce the Tesla Model Y. The factory's initial production rate target is 3,000 cars a week, eventually ramping up to 250,000 electric cars per year. However, by implementing the lessons learned with Gigafactory 1, Tesla has been able to surpass their target and cut cost by 65% in Giga Shanghai. Production of Model 3 has been steadily ramping up through 2020, with capacity hitting up to 5,000 cars per week by the end of the year. With Phase 2 of the factory now almost fully complete, we will see the Model Y added to the production line in 2021. With both vehicle production lines ramped up to full capacity, Tesla hopes to reach 550,000 vehicles per year coming from their Chinese factory, that is 300,000 Model 3s and 250,000 Model Ys. There has been clearing activity going on in the east wing of the main facility. This could be laying the foundation for a Phase 3 production line or possibly a new facility to manufacture batteries and superchargers in China. We've also seen the Giga press casting machines up and running to some degree at the factory. It's most probable we will see the Chinese-made Model Y upgraded to the single-piece castings in the near future. With China being the world's biggest market for electric cars, on pace to sell around 2 million in 2021, opening a gigafactory there creates new revenue opportunities for Tesla that the company otherwise wouldn't be able to match by simply importing cars. This is Tesla's European manufacturing plant, under construction in Berlin, Germany. First announced by Tesla's CEO Elon Musk in November 2019, the factory is planned to produce batteries, battery packs and powertrains for use in Tesla vehicles and also assemble the Tesla Model Y, with production proposed to start in late 2021. Construction work had begun by June 2020 with site preparation and foundation work underway. There have been some few setbacks Tesla encountered with this factory. Some of them include legal actions from local environmentalists that are blaming Tesla for massive deforestation in the area. Local residents are also protesting against the project, arguing that the project will drive up housing rent in the area. In addition, a 187-pound unexploded World War II bombs were deposed at the site in January last year. But despite these challenges, Tesla is forging ahead to meet up with May 2021 production deadline even amidst this COVID pandemic. Tesla hopes that when production starts, Giga Berlin will be the first to mass-produce the next generation of Tesla Model Y design. That will be a vehicle that looks the same as the current generation Model Y, but on the inside will be a completely different beast. The European Model Y will be produced with Tesla's latest 680 battery cell, a larger, more efficient and more powerful battery cell than we have seen in any other electric vehicle before. And finally, Giga Austin. This is Tesla's fifth automotive manufacturing facility near Austin, Texas, under construction since July 2020. Tesla aims to have it up and running by the end of 2021, hence progress is moving along at a ludicrous pace. Giga Texas is under construction 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As of 18th and 19th of this month, concrete foundations for 3 Giga high-press die casting machines were poured at the northwest corner of the facility. And on 21st of this month, the first Giga press components started to arrive on site in crates and shipping containers. The following day, the base frame of the first Giga press was unboxed and craned into position. Giga Austin is planned to be the main factory for the Tesla Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi. It will also produce Model 3 and Model Y cars for the eastern United States. Considering Tesla already has well over 500,000 Cybertruck orders to fulfill, it's no wonder they are racing to get this plant operational. Giga Texas also represents a tectonic shift in the technology industry, who for decades have been clustered around California Silicon Valley. More and more we are seeing Austin come up as a place for technology companies who are relocating to take advantage of the lower cost of living and fewer government regulations, unlike California. Oracle and HP are among the top tech giants that have since relocated to Texas. Elon Musk has also relocated to Austin, Texas, although he said that his reason for relocating was to be close to SpaceX Starship testing site, which totally makes sense. What do you think about Tesla's Gigafactory network? Does it give Tesla an edge over other EV companies? And where do you think Tesla will site their next Gigafactory? Do let me know your answers and thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help others discover it. And as always, whatever you're up to in the next hour ahead, do it with passion or not at all. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.